Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add search bar in a Wix website. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your Wix website editor, and from here, in order for you to add a search bar, just simply click on this add apps over here on the left side of the screen. And from here guys, just go for search app over here, and now just simply search for website search. And as you can see, you will have here Wix site search, so just simply click on this. And from here guys, you should be able to see here install, but since I already have it installed, I'm just gonna click on open. And now guys, you will see something like this, as you can see. And in order for you to edit it, just simply go to settings over here. And from here, as you can see, you will have the main search result, and you can click on manage settings. And from here, you can choose a pages to show in search result and edit what's on display. So from here, I can turn it on or I can turn it off. So it will be depending on you. And since I only have one pages, it is showing only other pages over here. And now another thing is you can change the display over here, which you will have multiple options. As you can see, you can show the search bar in result page, so it will be depending on you as well. And down below, you can enable all tab, so it will display an additional tab with all the search resulted on your site. And down below, you should be able to see here results found message, so you can filter it out over here. And now you will have a layout, which you can change the layout of your search site, and you can go for design as well. And from here, you will have multiple options to choose from. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.